In a crowded city, a late-night text sparks a misread moment, teaching the importance of honest repair. The story follows a young adult who pauses, names their own frustration, and avoids blaming the other person. They shift from hot reactive replies to a calm check-in, asking what went wrong and what would feel safer. That small move opens space for empathy, revealing how attachment styles shape response and how boundaries can coexist with care. By choosing timely apologies and clear needs, both parties learn to translate tone into trust, not guilt, and connection deepens.